Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know my Gmail password. We start by opening our Chrome browser, then click on the 3 points of Customize and Control Google Chrome. After that, click on Settings. Here we will click on Autofill and Passwords, then click on Google Password Manager. Here we will see our saved passwords. We will click on the accounts that we have saved from Google. Then inside we will see the Google accounts that we use to enter Gmail. We can click on the one we want to consult. Inside we can see the password option, and we will click on the view icon to show our password for that account. If you have many saved accounts, you can use the search engine above to find the saved Google accounts. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.